Training is a large part of our identity of Sansone.
I learn things new every day.
And for us to keep our technicians on top sets us apart from the other companies.
When you put that time in and that effort, they're going to invest in you. I just bought a beautiful home, got married, I finally got my dream car. I'm making more money now than I ever have.
I have a college degree in business marketing. I just didn't like what I was doing. I like to work with my hands, and especially with today's economy. I'll tell you right now, when things crash, we work full time.
There's a lot of jobs that maybe in 20 years, 30 years from now are not going to be around. It's getting hotter and hotter and hotter. I feel like we will always have a job.
Our number one job is to help each individual person achieve their goals. If you want to be the best technician, we'll help you get there. You want to be a salesperson, we'll help you get there.
At Sansone right now, we're just looking for good people who want to make a difference.